One of my favorites right here, this 1967 Nova, the silver with the red interior is to die for. It has a blueprint 383 stroker motor under the hood, making 451 horsepower, and a dyno. Has an SST 5-speed manual transmission package, 373 posi, custom suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, just look at this car and wait till you hear it when Michael starts it for you. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you want to go directly to this car, scan the QR code on the screen, and it'll bring you right to it. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it looks like a Cortez Silver, and it's laid out real nicely. It has the metal cowl hood, all straight, all clean. The lines are nice and square. Nice smooth fender, all clean. Has cross flag emblems that say 383, all smooth to the bottom, looking really sharp. Nice straight roof, doors, all looking nice and clean. Boy, it pops right open. The jambs are real nice. Shuts nice and solid. The body line is straight. This line right here curves around the wheel well molding real nicely. All straight, clean. Trunk is clean. All looking good. Beautiful silver metallic with a nice deep clear coat finish on it that's been buffed and polished real smooth and glossy. Has the Super Sport emblems. Same as the other side. Nice mirror finish. Nice lines, all straight, smooth, clean. Door jambs are real nice. I put the windows up on this side. It has a light smoke in the glass. It's all new glass. It's not a stick-on tint. It's a smoked tint on the glass. It has a bow tie mirror. All the moldings look like they've been replaced, and the gaskets. Up front here, the headlight bezels, the bumper, the grill, the lenses, all of that looks fresh, sparkly, straight, shiny, fits nice. The wheels, some really good looking Billet Specialty wheels. They must be like brand new because they're polished. Even the backside of them is polished beautifully. And they are wrapped in some custom made performance tires with the Redline on it. So I don't know what size they are because there's no size on the tire because of their custom ground red lines. I don't know exactly how that process works. They look like they're 18-inch wheels. I think the wheels look amazing on the car, and I think the red lines just really put it over the top. Coming around the back has the Super Sport tail panel. That's new. The tail lights, bumper, everything looks great. The moldings around the rear window, and again, it all fits nice. It's all shiny, all looking really good. Let's open it up, show you that red interior and that stroker motor sitting under the hood. All right, let's see how the trunk looks in this Nova. A little squeaky, gives it character. Looks like the latch is new, all painted nice and slick, silver underneath here, stainless hardware, jam is painted, weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal, spatter painted, has the matte. It's nice and tidy. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new videos are posted. Jams were all painted, bottom of the door is clean, weather strips are replaced, the inside metal trim is painted silver. Now we're getting to the good part, the red. Look at that red door panels, reproduction, the armrest, the window cranks, and see the white stripe? That's factory. I love the 67 Nova interior with the white stripe door panel and seats. So the whole dash has been restored. Let me see if I can get the gauges to light up. Look at that. Very cool digital analog gauges. Notice the little microphone. It must be a hands-free stereo as well. This button right here is for an electric emergency brake. Here's the retro stereo, even has little Chevy bow ties. Heater control panel looks real nice. This is all nice and clean. It says Super Sport. Has the molded kick panel speakers. Some nice mats. Underneath this is a nice red carpet. plug-in for the stereo. In the glove box is the for the fuel injection, which I haven't told you about yet, but the Phytech fuel injection screen has an LED light in there. The center console looks like it's brand new. It's spotless. It has this cool SST billet shifter, 5-speed. Now the seats, you can tell immediately when you sit in them, they're completely resprung and recushioned and reupholstered. They're like new seats, red with the white racing stripe. I love that. The back of the seat's all nice. The chrome trim is excellent. Red seat belts in front. I don't see any in back. Same thing going on back here. You got the mats, the nice red carpet, beautiful upholstery with the white stripes, the side panels, armrest, all that's redone. Then we got the rear shelf looks new, sail panels, headliner, all that looks nice and fresh and fits tight. An LED dome light, visors match, they were redone. The mirror looks new. And I pulled the car in here and I really like this steering wheel. It gives you some nice good grip. It's a cool wheel, and guess what? It's on a tilt column. So love the red interior in here. And it's got all new wiring as well. It's got the modern fuse panel with the push-in little fuses. Now this is a Blueprint racing engine, or Blueprint engines, I should say. And it comes with the paperwork and the dyno sheet. It was 451 horsepower, so it's a 383 stroker. It has their own Blueprint aluminum heads, polished Edelbrock intake with the Phytech fuel injection, HEI ignition back there. And then just check out the air cleaner and the valve covers for a second. Those are some really cool match set. Has some coated Hedman headers. Now the engine bay is all nice, clean. This is all custom inner fenders because it has different suspension. It has these support bars up here that prevents some body twists, so it keeps the car cornering real nice. Battery is secured, has a disconnect switch. Got a nice polished aluminum radiator with an electric fan. Very simple, very cool. Up front it has the billet bracket with the billet pulleys, serpentine belt, aluminum water pump, helps it keep a little cooler. Modern one-wire alternator. Actually, there's 2 wires going into it, but it is a modern alternator. The squirters are hooked up. Polished chrome power brake system, new wiper motor. And then look at the billet hinges. I love those. They function nice. They look great. So good looking engine compartment. Now the fun part, Michael's going to show you how this bad boy runs. Wait till you hear it. We'll see in a few minutes.
Got ourselves a little hot rod here, huh? 383 stroker under the hood. That's paired up. That's a Blueprint engine. Dyno tuned at 451 horsepower. Alongside of that is this nice little 5-speed manual here. Feels fantastic shifting through those gears. Everything feels good on this car. Holy cow. We got Max Grams here, special guest for today. Want to come along and have some fun riding in the cars. You guys see real nice downshifts there. Heck of a sounding exhaust, man. I tell you, this thing is something.
Let's see how this baby can do.
Oh, we gotta wait for the cars first, but yeah, I'm just as excited as you are to be pushing this 451 horsepower. That's for sure.
This thing is very loud.
Seats feel great, and just has a real nice ride quality with the upgraded chassis as of now. So yeah, let's see what she's got, right, Max?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now we're definitely speeding. We'll bring it back down to 60 miles an hour there. Oh boy. Looks like we're rolling at about 1800 RPMs. So again, you know, take the long way to the next cruise show. You know, drive to your heart's content. Let's see how this one goes down the street. Really nice alignment there with the custom front end. She feels good all the way around. Totally digging it. Got a little traffic here. But yeah, please come test drive it for yourself. If you don't take my word for it, we'd be more than happy to have you guys down here. Contact our sales team with about a day's notice and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is all painted. It was flipped on a rotisserie though. Floors, all that's nice clean metal, painted silver just like the top. Up front it has, looks like a Mustang 2 complete front end, tubular upper and lower control arms, coil over adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion steering. In back, the springs, the bushings, the shocks look fresh. Has a real nice exhaust system with a crossover pipe. Disc brakes at all four of the wheels, and like I mentioned earlier, has the e-stop. That's the electric emergency brake or parking brake. The fuel system was replaced, and it's all compatible with the fuel injection high pressure system. Looking up at the motor, it's still spotless, high torque starter. It's an SST transmission package. They sell you the whole package, the clutch, the shifter, the trans, all good to go. New drive shaft, not a rebuilt one, a new drive shaft. Goes back to the 12-bolt rear end, which has 373 posi gears in it. It has a nice finned aluminum polished cover on the rear end. So this thing is just cool everywhere you look, from any angle, in and out. I love this car. Silver and red puts it over the top. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this Nova delivered to your door. You need financing, insurance. They can help with that too. Thanks for watching.